Movie garage.
So I have a shoulder injury from the gym, so I'm kind of putting a pause on working on the truck out in the garage right now, but I feel like I gotta do something. So I'm gonna do something a little easier, I guess, or low impact. I'm gonna just paint this horn button cap thing. And it may not be the original colors, but it's gonna be the colors that I want, and hopefully it turns out good. All right, let's get to it. I'm gonna start with the red.
I have my paintbrush.
Okay, well don't mess up the bristles. If you spread them out like that, it makes it harder to use in the future.
So is that how you do that? Are you gonna do it?
Yes, I'm gonna paint it.
Paintbrush left. It's not lifted. Okay. From the presents to show my cousins the pic.
Here's the finished product. Pretty happy with it. I think it looks good. Big improvement over how it looked before. Once I get this steering wheel sorted out, I'm gonna put here. Actually, you know what? I don't even know. Does it sit like this in the car? Or like that? I don't know. Either way, I'll figure it out. But it's gonna kind of sit in there. Love it. I'm gonna reuse the same steering wheel, but obviously I gotta sort out all these cracks that are everywhere, clean up the shaft. And when I was disassembling this thing, I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know whether I should take this out and then take this part out the cab that way or what. Like, I didn't know. So I was just unbolting everything that I could, just kind of see how it goes together. And I took all these, I can't really see very well. I took these nuts out of here, or the bolts out of here, and now it's separating from the steering box. And somehow there's a key that goes in here, I think, that is loose. I don't know. I messed it all up. So I'm going to have to fix this up. Get it all reattached. But I think this can be a maybe a nighttime project. Most of my stuff requires use of loud tools, and I don't want to be outside at night, you know, when people are trying to rest or wind down for the evening using my power tools and stuff. But this shouldn't take much once I get this cleaned off. And I can just do this in my garage at night when I'm bored. Get this thing freshened up. Yeah, I'm super pumped about how this turned out. I really like it. Anyways, oh, update on the budget. I had to go buy cutoff wheels. So this is my 2-1 paint budget. You'll notice a little check mark. Although the chassis is not completely rebuilt, I still have to weld in the final welding of the suspension and put the oh hey, look who it is.
Hi.
Nice shirt. The what's it called, the shock absorbers, I haven't put the mounts in for that, so there's things that need to be done still.
Daddy,
yes,
did you tell them we're going to a different zoo?
we're going to a different zoo.
Yes.
Yeah, we're about to go to a zoo.
We're going to a different one.
Okay. You're silly. But anyways, I have everything that I need to finish it, so I'm not purchasing any more chassis or suspension parts. And I have $200 left over. So that's going to be diverted to either probably the body or brakes, tires, electric, or both. Because I'm pretty sure I'm going to be breaking the budget on both of these. Because I haven't even got a tailgate yet. I haven't done the fenders. I have to replace all 4 fenders. I have to do the window trim seals and all that, which I'm taking out of this budget. I'm going to divert this $200 to one or the other or both. We'll see if I have any left over in these that I can move around, but yeah, things are going good though. A little more than I was hoping to spend on certain things, but overall I'm happy with what's going on here.